Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mother, coming to you live from Austin, Texas. We are home sweet home for good after our retreat in Costa Rica, which was so lovely. We are feeling so good being home. This is the first time we've really settled into our house, got into a routine, and it made me realize how appreciative I am of being able to cook in a kitchen, to bake home-baked bread, to use the laundry machine, to sleep in my own bed and not be traveling for a whole year on the go and so on. So I thought that this class would be all about deep appreciation. We're going to do it seated the whole time, and it's just a nice practice to allow ourselves to really sink into all that we have, all the abundance that surrounds us. Let's bring the hands to heart center. We'll get into a comfortable seat. You can close your eyes, gently tune into the breath, and start to expand the inhale, lengthen the exhale. And just noticing the breath entering and leaving the body. And just the very ability to breathe is so precious. Taking a moment of gratitude here. The opportunity to sit with yourself for just a moment, really tuning into the body, into the breath. And bow the mind to the heart. Gently lift the head, release the hands. We'll take our left hand, cross it over to our right knee, and then reach back behind you like a kickstand. Now don't turn your head yet. Keep your head in line with the chest. Good. We're just going to do a gentle twist with the breath. Grounding down with the seat. Rise up. Inhale. Grow tall through the crown of the head, and then turn. Exhale. Keep your head in line with the chest. Good. Inhale. Grow tall. Push into the back arm. Exhale. Twist. Good. Again, inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist. Now that we're in the twist, then you can look over the back shoulder. If you do that beforehand, it really stops your ability for your cervical spine and the rest of the spine to move. So we move the head last. Good. Soften into this space. Squeezing out any toxins during this twist. And then when we unravel all that fresh blood, oxygen flow, moving energy coming back into the body, all the abundance that we receive on a daily basis from our own selves. And then look over the front shoulder. Good. Open up the neck a little bit. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. You can take your right ear, drop it over to your right shoulder. Oh, the left ear. Sorry, I'm doing opposite. Left ear over to left shoulder. Good. And then start to make circles with the chin in one direction, just opening up the cervical spine a little bit, getting a little fluidity. And opposite direction. Good. Release back to center. Slowly unwind. Just notice, close the eyes for a moment. Notice any heat, energy, movement, tingling within the body. All that abundance that is just continuously given to us. We need to focus on appreciation of our body naturally moving on its own to support us. Let's take that right hand, cross it over to the left knee, reach back behind. Again, keep your head in line with the chest. Good. Inhale, grow tall, ground down through the seat, and then exhale, start to twist. Keep the head in line with the chest. Inhale, grow tall, relax the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale to twist. Good. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, twist, then look over the back shoulder, drop the shoulders away from the ears, open up the side of the neck. Good, just a few breaths here. Again, allowing the twist to wring out any toxins within the body so that you can fill yourself with all the abundance of the universe. And let's look over the front shoulder. Good. Nice, relaxed jaw. Start to tilt the ear towards the shoulder, open up the side of the neck. And then begin to make circles with the chin. One direction. And the other direction. And bring your head back towards center. Slowly unwind. Again, just notice. Close the eyes. Tune in. Such gratitude. Our body continuously functioning for us. Such appreciation for this beautiful being. Let's plant our fingertips on the side. I'm going to slide back so you can see me a little bit better. Good. Keep your left hand on the floor, and we're going to bring our right fingertips straight up against our ear, pointing straight up, elbow points out. Soften the elbow, reach over to the side, and kind of lift the ear up towards the crown of the head. Good. Elbow points up towards the sky. Inhale here, exhale, come out. Good, let's try that again. Inhale, soften the elbow. Opposite elbow points up towards the sky. Exhale, nice. One more time, inhale up. And exhale, good, slowly release. Let's try the other side. So left fingertips point straight up towards the head towards on the ear, and elbow points out. Soften. Inhale, take it over. Exhale, back to center. Good. Inhale, expand the side ribs. Exhale, back to center. One more time. Inhale, hold for just a breath. Drop that hip down low. And then exhale, back to center. Release all the way down. I'm going to turn sideways. You can stay where you are. Let's plant the feet. Knees are bent, and you can bring the hands behind the thighs. Sit up nice and tall. You can separate the feet just a little bit. We're going to do a few cat-cows, but seated. So inhale, roll the chest open. Take a deep breath into your heart center. Such gratitude for this breath, this moment. And then exhale, tuck the chin, round in, allow your body to release back. Stay here, take a deep breath in between the shoulder blades, expand. Exhale here. Inhale all the way back up. Good, let's try it again. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, round in like a cat, tuck the chin. Stay here, inhale, expand the back body. Exhale, stay here. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, soften. One last time. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, tuck the chin, round in. Inhale, stay here, expand the back body. Exhale, soften. Good. Inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, release. I'm going to face you again. You can cross your legs if you'd like. Good. So from here, we're just going to take a nice inhale. Both arms sweep up overhead. Exhale, palms face down. Good. Inhale again. This time we're going to grab the right wrist. Spread your fingertips out nice and wide. Sit up nice and tall, and then take it over to the side. Good. Over to the left. Inhale deep into the armpit. Radiate the armpit up and open. Exhale, soften. Feel heavy in your right hip. Inhale, open. Exhale, soften. Tuck the chin. Start to give a little tug on the wrist. Round in a little bit. Start to drop the arms down. Surrender. Humble to all the abundance that you receive. Good. Come back to center. Inhale, arms sweep up. This time, grab onto the left wrist, wiggle those fingertips and spread them out nice and wide. Ground down with the hips. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale over to the side. Good. Notice the armpit radiate up towards the sky. Big inhale, receive. Exhale to soften. Good. Do it again. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Start to give a little tug round and open up the back body, slowly lowering the arms all the way down. Good. Relax the shoulders, roll them back a little bit. And we'll bring the arms straight out to the side. This time we're going to cross that left arm over the right, connect the elbows. If you'd like, you can just grab opposite shoulders if that's good for you today and your shoulders feel a little tight. Or you can bring the hands back to back. Or you can wrap them all the way around in Gomukhasana arms. Tuck the chin, lift the elbows, and then press the elbows towards each other. Good. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press, opening up the back of the heart in between the shoulder blades. Inhale, expand. Exhale, press. Take a deep breath in between the shoulder blades, expand. Exhale, draw the elbows in towards the chest, start to round in. Allow the weight of gravity to help you round in. Take a deep breath into the back body. Exhale, expand and release. Good. Slowly unwind, come all the way up. And we'll try the opposite side. Arms out, right arm over left. Grab opposite shoulders or bring your arms back to back or wrap all the way up. Good. Inhale, grow tall. Tuck the chin. Exhale, press the elbows towards each other. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale to press. One more time. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, press. Good. Start to round in. Allow the shoulder blades to spread. Use gravity to help release any tension in the upper back. Take a deep breath into the back body. Expand. Exhale, soften. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands. Good. Slowly come back up. Roll the shoulders out. Nice. So we're going to do one more thing. Let's clasp the hands. I'm going to show you towards the nape of the neck. So the hands are clasped right at the lower part of the neck where the occiput is. The cervical spine comes into the skull. Open up the elbows nice and wide and then rest your head back into the hands. Close the eyes. Lift the chin. Really feel supported in the cervical spine, the skull. Widen, broaden the elbows if it feels right for your body today. And we're just going to bring in tons of gratitude right into the center of our heart. Inhale, deep breath here. Exhale out the mouth. Inhale, deep breath right into the center of your being. Exhale. One more deep breath. And exhale. Good. Open the eyes, release the hands. Roll the shoulders back. Good. And this time we're going to bring the hands to heart center. We'll do a little bit of breath work and meditation to really show our appreciation for all that we have. The smallest thing. I am so grateful for the little things. Let's keep the pinkies together, but roll the thumbs and palms open and bring that right to the center of the heart. So we know that we're receiving all this beautiful universal energy and we're going to take it into our body with gratitude and deep appreciation. Let's close the eyes, lengthen through the back of the neck, and then start to invite your breath in a little more fully. And on your next inhale, taking in all the abundance of the universe right into our center being. On an exhale, surrendering our ego and mind with full gratitude to all that we receive. Inhale, expand, bringing all the abundance into our being. And then exhale with a surrender, surrendering the ego with much appreciation to all that we receive. A few more breaths just like that on your own. Inhaling, receiving all the blessings and gifts from the universe. And exhale, surrendering gratitude. Good. One more breath like that. And exhale, softening, surrendering. Good. Let's bring our hands back to heart center. And we're going to bow the thinking mind to the feeling heart in an offering of our biggest, highest appreciation for all the gifts that we receive, even the little things. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. See you next time.